Most times, you'll be running several nodes or executables in your ROS project, like we ran the TotalSim node, the TeleOp key node, and the avoid wall node in different tabs or terminals. You don't have to open different terminals to run them. ROS provides a way to make running multiple executables, parameters, and configurations at a single command. It's called a launch file. There are different ways to create launch files in ROS2. A launch file can be created through a Python script, an extensible markup language XML file, or a YAML file, which stands for YAML Int Markup Language. Most ROS1 users create launch files with XML, that's the extensible markup language, even when it can be done with Python. In this lesson, you will create a launch file with Python because as a scripting language, you get the rich features of the language that cannot be performed with XML or YAML. Also, you get lower level access to launch features because they are written in Python. Navigate to the package directory and create a launch folder. In the launch folder, we'll create a launch file. Name it total_avoid_wall and append the suffix .launch.py. It can also be _launch_py. That is how you create a launch file. Open the file and import the necessary libraries. Write a mandatory function with the name generate_launch_description, which must return launch description. Since we will run two nodes from two different packages, we will use the node class and pass the executable and package parameters. The first is for the TotalSim, while the other is for our custom total control package. Let's tidy up our CMake list and package.xml files. Install the launch file in CMake lists and add the ROS2 launch as an executable dependency in the package.xml file. Build the project again, type ROS2 launch, name of the package, and the name of the launch file to run both nodes at a time. Launch files can be created in three different ways. We explored the Python method to run two nodes with a single command on a terminal. When you need to run multiple executables, always remember to create a launch file to make your work easier. In the next lesson, you will learn how to introspect in ROS2 without the terminal.